Hey guys, it's me, Win Papa, and I'm going to show you the easiest trade to make. If you're just getting started with trading in general, whether it's crypto, stocks, Forex, although this won't apply so much to Forex really, but for stocks and crypto, definitely, there's just one trade that's just like the easiest trade to make ever. It doesn't take any fancy indicators. It doesn't take a genius to figure out. You don't need to know how to draw trend lines. You don't need to know how to do anything except for have eyes that work and have access to a trading platform. So I trade crypto and I use 3 commas exclusively for all of my crypto trades because it's the best. So I'm going to show you what a fail safe trade setup looks like. Now, I know I'm giving off a lot of confidence here. In all reality, this trade could blow up in my face, and it'd be kind of funny if it did. So there is always a probability that a trade will not work out. And this is another reason why I use 3 commas, is because I can set my buy price, my take profit, and my stop loss all in one order. It is awesome. So enough of me jibber jabbering. Are you ready to see this? Here we go. So this is it. Aren't you excited? Aren't you like the least bit excited? Well, if you're new to trading, no, you have no idea what you're looking at. What we're looking at here is a chart for CDT on the ETH market. So Blocks, which is the name of the coin or the company, and it's on the Ethereum market. This is a daily chart, and we're looking at Binance Exchange. The reason why this setup is just too easy, too simple, is because of one big thing. And I'm going to use a fun little circle. It is fun. You should ask it. So right here, we had the price come down and then it bounced off. You could call this a pivot point if you want to, but let's just say that the price was respected at right here, or the chart respected this price. We can use these trading terms. So I don't need to zoom in. It's very obvious. It looks almost like a V. Now I'm going to go ahead in the future, and then every candle right here is a day. This happened on the 17th of August, 2018. The next time the price visited this area, it made another V right here. And this happened many, many, many days later. It almost looks like 6 months, maybe more. So it's 268 bars. So it's much more than 6 months, more like 9 months. So what we have is the price falls. It finds a support. We're going to use trading terms now, support right here. So it bounces off of a price line that everyone agrees that this is the lowest it's going to go, and then it goes up high. The price falls down. It goes as low as it's going to go. But if you actually look at that, it's basically returned to the original price 9 months ago. And then after that, it went up to some of these peaks that happened 9 months ago. So here we are on the present. We have the price falling down. It hits we're going to call support. Note that it is in the same range, the same price range right here. Now, again, it's very possible that the price could just do this. It could just go, yeah, blah, and it could just totally poop its pants and be done. But a good deal of trading has to do with history and price action. History is obvious. It's what's happened in the past. But price action is all about the buying and selling, things like that. So keeping this as simple as possible for beginners. I believe that the price is going to shoot way up, probably up to this range, max. And if the price falls again, it will probably jump and do the same thing again. Why? Because markets repeat themselves. People are buying and selling based on what they think is going to happen next. The reason why this is one of the easiest trade setups to buy is because you don't need an indicator to tell you when it's the right conditions. Even though I love the TBO, which is the indicator that is available through the courses that I teach. And I love the TBO because it helps me to see support and resistance lines based on price action. I can tell when a chart is trending up or trending down. I get all sorts of reversal information. But honestly, without this, it's pretty stinking obvious what's going to happen next, because what has happened in the past is more likely to happen again in the future. If you're new to trading and you are looking for tools and like 3 commas, like the TBO indicator that you saw a preview of, and you want to learn how to trade, how to teach yourself how to trade, my courses are really solid. I have an intro course. It's only $47 right now, and it teaches you tons of trading techniques. It teaches you how to grow a small account quickly. You get coaching support. You get lots of stuff. So if you really want to get started trading, make sure that you start small. And if you want to get involved or get started, check out one of my courses. Well, enjoy this little trade setup. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.